Let's make it eat. Up first, we have the cookie butter cookie thin. Look how thin she is. This is how thin I'm trying to be. Okay. Okay, so because they're thin, the flavors are not as powering as what I'm used to, like from Crumble. But okay. Mhm. Next, we have the red velvet cookie thin. I love me a good red velvet cookie. Mm. Mm-hmm. Dubai style chocolate thin cookie. Yes. Mm. Immediately, yes. I will never get tired of Crumble's Dubai chocolate. Lastly, we have the Malo thin cookie. I know I'm saying that wrong. Oof, yes. Mm. Mm-hmm. I am devouring this one. Mm-hmm.